Good morning, everyone. Today is another very cold day. We got another 4 or 5 inches of snow last night. So overall, we had about 12, 13 inches snow in the past 3 days. It's a lot of snow. It's about a foot of snow already. Here, give you some updates on the greenhouse. Okay. Here we are in the greenhouse. You can see the top is covered with snow. I have 7 barrels filled up with water. I hope they could absorb some heat in the daytime. I have a small heater. And I don't have much going on right now. I have some kale left. They're okay. I planted them in late October and they continue to grow. Today is February 17. They look pretty good. I hope they could survive the cold weather this week and they will continue to grow and they will be fine in the spring. Here are Swiss chard. Their leaves looks okay. We will check them back in a couple days. Here's the onions. Onions looks okay.